Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and of course this is going to come eventually to the regular version of Windows 10, 11, sorry, 10, I don't know, but 11 at least. It's not impossible for 10. I know that sometimes some features go back down to Windows 10, but the Paint app in Windows will eventually get some new features. Now, one that I can show you that I have now available in my Insider Ring. So here's a picture of my cat. Now there's a new tool that actually lets you remove backgrounds. So when you use this tool, it actually will analyze the picture. I'm going to click on it here, and eventually, here we go. Now we've got only the cat. So it works actually pretty well from what we see here, and it's really nice as a new feature. Another new feature that is also going to be included eventually, I don't have it here on the latest version, but it will be there soon, is actually a possibility to add layers. And this is a feature, adding layers is powerful features. It's features that usually people will get, GIMP or Photoshop or some much more higher end picture, modification software. And so this is kind of cool. I think it's cool to have these new features. Paint is one of the apps that's been tweaked from time to time lately, and I think it's nice. At first, I wasn't sure because a lot of people were like, and I was kind of part of them, looking at, well, why are you, playing around with Paint when there's other things to take care of? But at the same time, when I look at the new features they're actually bringing to it, it's kind of cool. So you can see here the background removal is pretty good. If we go back, if I switch back, there we go. Here's the picture with the background like it was, and a picture without it. And it's a pretty good job, actually. It's pretty neat. You could actually take this, and by adding layers, well, you could take this and put the cat in some other environment, and it's barely going to be visible. So cool new features coming to Paint. Of course, if you want to have these eventually coming up, the way to do so is always to go to your Microsoft Store. If you're an insider, go to the store and make sure you get the latest updates for the apps, as these features will be rolling out with app updates. And so you go to the library on the bottom left, and you can check out what apps are available and when they are going to actually show up. And you will see that there are regular apps, updates that are available from different apps on your PC. And this actually updates all sorts of things from security to new features, adding to new features. And there's a lot of new features in the different core apps of Windows, actually. So it's kind of interesting to see. So slowly, but it's kind of cool. I kind of like the direction that Paint is going. I think it's going to be a nice little go-to app for picture modifications. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.